British Air Tours Flight 28M is ready to taxi on the runway at Manchester Airport. It is early 1985. British Air Tours is like British Airways, a company like British Airways that British Airways has bought. But that turns into disaster after the British Air Tours plane has engulfed in flames by the engine. The pilot turns the plane and taxis back away from the runway, but it is engulfed in flames. But let's rewind. How did this happen? It is 1985 at Manchester Airport in England. And a British Air Tours 737-200 is taxiing to the runway. It's a busy day at Manchester Airport since it's not that common as Heathrow or Birmingham. As it's cruising, the wheel breaks and the engine is puffing out large amounts of fire and smoke. 55 people are already dead. The plane is just going back in smoke. The worst disaster in Manchester Airport history. The Manchester Airport disaster. Investigators need to know what caused the engine to be engulfed in those flames. And there's a theory to this. The propeller in the engine. But British Air Tours Flight 28M, this wasn't the case. If we fast forward, this could have not happened. British Air Tours has to do something about it, but British Air Tours has already gone bankrupt, as well as British European Airways. Maybe British Airways can say something, but they need to find evidence of what caused the big tragedy of the 1985 Manchester Airport disaster. 55 people died.